Hey, what's up, guys? Me, Gamer Dude. I was doing one of my videos, but I accidentally did delete one other. That I did not meant to delete. So I did delete actually two. The one that has no views on it, I should have deleted that one. Not the other one. This is a video to replace that. Okay? I have nothing else that's going inside my head. Just want to replace the video. But don't worry. I'm all here for you guys. Okay? So yeah. Every other video, it's about uploads and putting ahead. Yes, I know it's a repeat. I don't want to repeat, but I do want to know if you guys want that to actually happen. I would show you the setup, but it's only just vlogs and Q&As, not really gaming. I am a gamer dude, actually. And I don't know if I did by intro. So yeah. Sorry about that. I'm gonna rewatch it if I actually did. Because I have nothing to talk about. And yeah. Okay? So, yeah, what's going on, guys? Just laying right here just for a while, and then I go back color again, and here comes the 3-minute mark. It's coming up. You know what that means? Oh no, the cups are coming. I gotta go. YOLO.